Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best gas pressure washers on Amazon. With a high-quality gas pressure washer, you can clean your sidewalk, driveway, siding, fence, concrete floor, deck, and patio with maximum performance and professional quality. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Simpson Cleaning MSH3125 Megashot Gas Pressure Washer. This gas pressure washer unit provides 3200 psi at 2.5 GPM, which makes it incredibly efficient for all kinds of cleaning purposes. You can use it for home jobs as well as construction applications. Thanks to the high power output, the washer removes the heaviest dirt and most stubborn stains. The Simpson gas pressure washer features a sturdy and durable construction. The steel frame makes it even more resistant to outside threats. Additionally, the unit has 10-inch pneumatic wheels and rolls easily over different surfaces. The package also includes 5 quick connect nozzle tips for more precision and control over the cleaning process. However, the unit doesn't have a built-in soap tank. It's also quite loud, so you might want to use earplugs during operation. Number 2. Simpson Cleaning MS60763S Megashot Gas Pressure Washer. This is another highly reliable Simpson gas pressure washer. It offers 3100 psi at 2.4 GPM, which is rather impressive. Because of the high water flow, the washer can clean all kinds of heavy dirt and debris. It's ideal for home purposes, especially for cleaning driveways, cars, RVs, and more. Users also love the overall design of the Simpson washer. It comes with a maintenance-free axial cam pump, a 25-foot-long hose, and M22 connectors. The unit also features a sturdy and durable steel frame and a hose that is resistant to tangling and abrasion. Furthermore, the package includes 5 nozzle tips and a 2-year limited warranty on the engine. The product is not without drawbacks, however. First, the handle is not very tall, and some users report that the hose is a tad short, which restricts overall mobility during the cleanup. Number 3. AI Power Gas-Powered Pressure Washer. If you're looking for an affordable gas pressure washer, you might want to check out this model from AI Power. It's a powerful machine that delivers 2700 psi and 2.3 GPM. You can clean most surfaces from heavy dirt and grime, including sidewalks, driveways, patios, vehicles, and more. The washer has an axial cam pump and comes with 3 nozzle tips for a wide range of applications. The 25-foot-long hose allows for excellent reach, and the 8-inch wheels ensure more portability. Overall, the unit is easy to operate and allows for effortless cleaning. Thanks to the lightweight design, the AI Power gas pressure washer is highly portable and ideal for home use. However, the hose is not protected against overheating. It might melt due to the high temperature coming from the engine. Number 4. Generac Gas Pressure Washer 3100 psi. The Generac gas pressure washer is designed to clean your home and patio, as well as your car or truck. It features 3100 psi and has an electric start and auto choke, which are reliable and make it easy to operate. The unit comes with a lithium-ion battery designed to last up to 18 months. A charger is also included. The detergent tank is simple to access, and it comes with a vertical axial cam pump and extended connections, so assembly and cleaning are seamless. The spray gun is adjustable based on the task. The settings include car, concrete, soap, and wood. It also comes with 4 quick change nozzles: 0, 25, and 40 degrees, and soap. This pressure washer also has a 2-year limited warranty. Overall, it has a lot of power, and the hose doesn't kink when you're using it. The wand is also lightweight and doesn't make you too tired when you use it. One problem is that the wheels are a little small if you use them when climbing stairs. The handle is also a bit short if you're on the taller side. Number 5. Champion Gas Pressure Washer. The Champion Power Equipment Gas Pressure Washer has 3200 psi, which is greater than some other choices. It features a 224cc single-cylinder OHV engine and a high-performance Innovi Reverberry axial cam pump. The machine comes with a quick connect spray gun, wand, and 5 nozzles. 0, 15, 25, and 40 degrees, and soap. It also has a 25-foot quick disconnect hose and detergent tank. One of the best things about this machine is the spray gun trigger is ergonomically designed to minimize fatigue during use. It also has space to store the hose, trigger gun, and spray wand. In addition, Champion provides a 2-year limited warranty and lifetime technical support should you need it. Users report that it's powerful, easy to assemble, and is compact enough to easily store when it's not in use. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.